Because when I first did it, it was literally me and a lap timer that my mate lent me and a laptop, and there was like, I think it was 8 or 12 people at the first one. But now we've got 48 people and people travelling from 6, 7, 8 different countries to be here and planning weeks ahead.
So we have team running. Now it's the final.
I'm here with a couple of guys.
48 pilots from USA, Italy, Germany, Poland, Latvia, loads of different countries come together.